How do you set goals that actually make a difference? The answer lies in writing SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's a framework designed to help you create goals that are clear, trackable, and realistic. The first step in writing a SMART goal is making it specific. A goal like improve production is too vague. Instead, be precise. Specify what needs to be improved, by how much, and which processes or areas are involved. For example, increase production output of widget A by 10% through optimized machine scheduling. Now, the team knows exactly what they're aiming for. Next, your goal needs to be measurable. If you can't measure it, how will you know if you've achieved it? Establish clear metrics or KPIs to track progress. For instance, if the goal is to increase production by 10%, your metric might be the number of units produced per hour or the total daily output. These numbers will give you concrete evidence of your progress. Your goal must be achievable. While it's important to aim high, setting goals that are too ambitious can lead to frustration and failure. Consider the resources, time, and personnel you have available. Ask yourself, is this goal realistic given our current situation? If your machines are already running at full capacity, it might be more feasible to aim for a 5% increase rather than 10%. The goal also needs to be relevant. It should align with broader company objectives and bring value to the organization. In manufacturing, relevance often means focusing on areas like reducing waste, improving quality, or boosting productivity. For example, increasing production efficiency might directly support your company's annual goal of reducing production costs by 15%. Finally, every goal needs a deadline. By making your goal time-bound, you create urgency and a timeline for action. For example, achieve a 10% increase in widget A output by the end of Q3. This allows everyone to work towards a specific target date. When you put it all together, a SMART goal in the manufacturing industry might look something like this. Increase production output of widget A by 10% through optimized machine scheduling measured in units produced per hour by the end of Q3. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's a clear roadmap for success, providing the team with direction and motivation. Remember, avoid setting goals that are too broad, unrealistic, or without a timeline. These mistakes can lead to confusion and missed targets. If a goal seems out of reach, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Continuously review and adjust your goals as needed. Start implementing the SMART goal approach today and see your manufacturing operations forward with clarity and purpose. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more industrial insights.